Get ready to be captivated by the world of sound as we capture the remarkable reactions of deaf people experiencing it for the first time. It was an exciting and overwhelming moment as this mom had her cochlear implants turned on for the first time.
When I say a word, you tell me what it sounds like. It's one of these. Okay? Ice cream. Hot dog. Let's take a little break. Let's take a little break. Oh, let's...
How does that feel? Is there any pain, pressure, discomfort? Do you want to cry? No, you're fine. Okay, I'm good. Is there any pain, pressure, or discomfort? Feels good?
This boy's face lit up as he finally got his hearing aids.
Good.
That one sounds good.
You
You don't think this one sounds good? Let me check this one.
This one though. This one sounds good, but
Yeah.
it's kind of good.
There, how's that?
Good.
Is that better?
Yeah.
Does it sound the same on both sides?
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you sound when you talk?
Kind of good.
Are you good? Yeah. Can you hear mom and dad?
Yeah.
Can you hear
Can you hear me better?
Yeah.
This lady hears music through her hearing aids for the first time, and it's such an amazing moment.
What's happening? What's happening? It's okay.
So no music on the way home.
Hello? You heard it! Yes, you did! Hi, baby! You heard mommy! What? Your Saki's coming up again. What you doing? I love you.
Kay had her cochlear implants activated and could hear properly for the first time in her life.
That's so weird.
And it seems like your voice is bothering you more than my voice.
Yeah, it's like being in an echo chamber, I guess.
Okay. So hang on a sec.
You can't hear me on this side.
I'm gonna say a color.
Okay.
Red,
Red,
purple,
purple.
turquoise,
That was a hard one.
blue.
Blue. It's a lot deeper right now, including
Okay.
me. I sound like a man. Like
Okay. so deeper but distractingly deeper.
Yes.
Okay. We can work on all of that.
Yeah.
Hello? Zoe, did you hear us?
Zoe.
Hello?
Zoe.
Hello, Zoe.
Hi.
Hi, Zoe.
Oh, what do you think?
Zoe,
Hi, Zoe.
how are you doing?
Yay!
Can you hear?
Goodness.
Are you listening to us?
It's squealing just a little bit because
It was a Christmas miracle as sweet Ava got her cochlear implants activated just before Christmas.
Hi! Hi, beautiful. I love you. You're Clap, clap, clap.
And ever since, she has had the gift of hearing every single day.
Are you getting dizzy, Ava?
After 8 months of not hearing anything, this lady finally had her hearing back.
Her voice. Oh, I just heard my voice. I heard my words. Good. But maybe that's because I know what I'm saying.
That's okay. Context clues are a great thing.
Okay.
AJ. AJ. Hey.
What are you hearing?
Do you hear?
You did.
You do?
You did.
Where's Daddy?
Hey, buddy.
You have one, and can we put two? Can we put the other ear?
Is that so cool?
Oh my.
This 10-month-old heard Mommy's voice for the first time.
Hi.
Hi.
This cutie could hear his favorite show for the very first time. Teddy listened to music for the first time with his hearing aids. Today was the day this girl could hear for the first time in her life.
Hi. Hi. Yep, you're right. We're waiting one. Avery. Hi, baby. Good job, Avery.
All right. So now the implant is on, and you kind of get that initial, like, whoa, you're hearing something through it. What are you hearing through it? Does it sound like noise right now? Does it sound like
I kind of hear it goes off when I talk.
Okay.
And it sounds like aliens,
Okay.
is how I would explain it.
It was an emotional roller coaster as Og had his cochlear implants activated.
Now it's on.
Hello.
Hello.
Can you hear me? Hey.
Crying good or bad?
Crying usually tells us that it's very loud and they got scared.
Well, I know you got upset when I turned it off. You got obviously upset when I turned it off.
That's good, right?
Yeah, it's definitely responding. Now Mom wants to cry.
I cry every day.
Because you see improvement every day. Yeah. So this is obviously good. He is responding.
Hi, baby.
What do you hear?
What? Can you hear us? No, Hi. What? Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Xavier got his first pair of hearing aids, and it's the cutest.
Where are you going? You gotta stay here. What is it? Oh my goodness. What is it? Xavier. Hey, I'm over here. Good job. What you doing? Do you hear all the fun sounds?
Hi, baby. Hi. Are you scaring yourself?
I know when you make those sounds, you're gonna be able to hear yourself. Oh, what is that?
Oh,
face?
what is it? What is it?
This guy heard for the first time ever on his left.
Loud.
No.
What do you hear? Why are you not?
Yeah, you're making like a face.
This is crazy.
Do you hear it like on your left?
I haven't had that kind of reaction from a bone anchor device in a long time. It's kind of cool.
Yeah, I've never heard on my left side before. It's kind
of like it kind of. I know you can see my lips again, probably.
It's just very high pitched, like a little bit, not like overwhelming.
Yeah, we can make it a little bit less airplane
plane?
Good. Good. Good.
Ellie had her cochlear implants activated for the first time, and she could finally hear the world clearly.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do I sound funny? Pop, 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 pop. Hi! Is it funny? Yeah? Okay.
Eleanor.
Ellie.
You could hear Mama?
You like those stickers? Yeah.
Pop, 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 Ellie. Hi, Ellie. Oh, hi! Do you hear it? Yeah? Is it good? Yeah?
This boy who has hearing loss in his right ear tries out hearing aids for the first time, and it's adorable.
What do you think? That sounds different, huh? Hey, is that different? What you think? Yeah? Does it sound good? I don't know what to think, really. I know, he doesn't know what to think. You want to keep playing with your toys and see what you think about it? What's this?
Yeah, the moose is cute. Is that funny?
Iverson hears Mom and Dad's voice loud and clear for the very first time.
Ivy, hi, mamas.
Hey. Hi.
Do you hear us? Yeah, maybe a little. Is that new? It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Ivy girl. You're okay, baby. You're fine.
You're okay.
What do you say? The
Baby, you
wheels
still
on
here?
the bus go round and round.
This baby was so excited to try out his hearing aids.
Nice and snug. So there's one.
Hi, my love. What do you think? What do you think of your hearing aids?
Up, 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 up. You're liking that. Missing behind you. Put the other one in. I'm gonna make a loud sound just to make sure it doesn't get him super upset. He's doing really well with them.
Hi, baby. Oh, yeah. There we go. You hear me? Yeah.
This little girl got her hearing aids, and it was a bit overwhelming at times.
Right in her ear, and then you can kind of rotate it so that it fits securely.
Hey, can you hear Mama? Ollie. Hey. What's going on? What is wrong? Come here. Say hi. Can you hear me?
She's scared. Well, I mean, I would be scared too.
Hi, did you hear that? Oh.
Hi.
Wait. What's going on? Sorry. You want to stand up? Yeah.
Heard that?
Yeah. Oh.
This baby girl got her hearing aids, and her smile tells the story.
Did you hear that? Yay! Good job. Alright, let's see. Turn it down a little. Let's see how we do. Alright, here we go. Did you hear that too? How much did you guys turn it down?
There wasn't a dry eye in the room when this 43-year-old could hear sound properly for the first time ever.
You can hear me really good? Yeah. So I'm happy. That smile makes me happy.
After 9 long years of being deaf, this was finally the moment Sophia had her cochlear implants activated.
So it's there. So can you hear me?
Sophia,
I heard something.
Can you hear my voice?
I don't know.
Say
Sophia.
something.
Hi.
Jeez.
All I hear is like beeps. That's so weird. I hear something.
What's your name?
Sophia.
No, you have to go.
I know. What's your name?
Sophia.
Can you hear me?
I don't hear words. I
Okay,
hear
just
Okay,
that's fine.
sounds.
What does it sound like?
Like beeps. It's like weird.
Like squeaks, like Mickey Mouse talking.
This guy heard rain for the first time after getting his hearing aids.
What does it sound like?
Wow.
What cool?
Hello, baby. Hello. Hi. Hi. I think she's confused. Yeah. Oh, darling.
It was an emotional day when this little one put on his hearing aids for the first time. Harvey hears for the first time, and it's the sweetest.
Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, babe. Is that a lot? Look at your little mohawk, Stinky Pete. I know. You hear everything?
This 10-year-old quickly got emotional when he could hear properly for the first time.
He's reacting, he's saying something. You can also call him. Abe! Abe! Abe!
This boy, who is severely deaf in his left ear, tried out his Baha hearing aid for the first time.
How do you sound now?
I don't know. Well, I'm quick trying to see if I hear a difference.
Is that better?
I don't know. Hold on.
Just different.
Can you hear with that ear now?
Yeah, now.
Is that
I
good?
can.
Is it good?
But now I cover this, I feel like I'm a robot. Like my voice to me now sounds like I'm a robot, to be honest.
It will sound different.
Is it good?
Yeah, if I was... Hold on. Oh. This is so weird.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nelly. Hey, baby, you heard it. Nelly. Hey, mamas.
A little girl from Kenya hears again for the first time in years. This lady hears in her left ear for the first time in 2 years.
And to analyze what you're hearing of my voice right now.
But I don't know what they're saying.
That's okay. If I say Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, are you hearing that a little bit?
Are they too loud? Can you talk? Can you hear me? She was whispering. Can you hear me?
Adriana,
Can you say hi?
say hi.
Say hi.
Use your voice. It's okay.
Yeah, and then you can be quieter.
Oh, I heard you use your voice. Do it again.
Is it different? Yeah.
Yes, it's different. Yes.
This little princess had her cochlear implants activated.
There it is.
Yay!
What was that? Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah. Oh, you want daddy? You want daddy? Or you want your friend? It's
No, ma'am. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. I know. You can hear it.
This was Josie's first moment of hearing with her hearing aids.
What do you hear?
Is that weird? Yeah.
What do you hear, Joyce?
Oh, is that strange?
Do you like it? Yeah. Can you hear Mama?
Yeah.
Yeah. What about Sissy?
Is that silly?
What's going on? Can you hear it?
It was an emotional day for Gavin and Mom as he heard for the first time.
Hi, Gavin. Hey, bud. Can you hear me? You heard that? He's definitely like super focused, thinking about something right now. What is that? Do you like that? Wow. You hear that? Do you hear that? Do you like that volume better? Hi, Gavin.
Hey, I love you.
Roman.
A 5-month-old got his first pair of hearing aids.
Hey.
Ba, 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 ba. Oh, that's
Yeah.
right, I'm over
He
here.
heard you, yeah.
And then he heard Grandpa.
Yeah.
Good
Look.
job.
Wow, that's pretty cool. He notices something different. Wow. I always saw those videos on TV or on YouTube, but I didn't know it really happened. Yeah.
Oh, that wasn't mine. You look for that sound. You found me. Good job.
This adorable baby got his hearing aids put on, and it was a very emotional moment.
Hi, buddy. Mommy. Can you hear me better? You're looking at me? I did something, huh? Isn't that better? Oh. And you hear Grayson. Yeah. He's showing no emotion.
I'm his big brother.
Hey. Yeah, you're his big brother. Oh, I know. It's okay. It's okay. It's different. It's okay.
This was finally the day Atlee had her hearing aids turned on.
Don't you hear me? You. Do you hear your own kid voice? Do you hear yourself talk?
This 12-week-old had a heartwarming reaction to his first set of hearing aids.
Bubby, Jordan. Jordan, hi. Bubba, what are you doing? Jordan. Jordan. The rock? Are you the rocks, baby? Are you the rocks, baby?
It's like I'm looking at you, but I'm not hearing the noise.
Are you big boy? Oh, yeah.
This girl had her implants activated, and it's so amazing.
Because you're going to be hearing better.
Everything kind of sounds a bit better already.
Okay. So
this is weird.
This boy got his cochlear implants turned on, and his smile is everything. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to check out this one as well.